So we got this situation. For a positive integer n, if the mean of binomial coefficient in the expansion of this, okay, so you know that if you will expand this thing, a and b will not, acha, we have to talk about only binomial coefficient, correct? So can I say that the first binomial coefficient would be 2n minus 3 c0, then 2n minus 3 c1, then 2n minus 3 c2. It will keep on going, and then we will be having 2n minus 3 c3. They are saying that the mean of binomial coefficient of in the expansion of this is 16. So mean means average. Average means sum of all the terms by divided by number of terms. So what will be the number of terms? You know that if power is n, the number of terms will be n plus 1. So the binomial coefficient count would be 2n minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 16. So according to us, mean is this. According to them, mean is this. Okay. Now, after expansion, what we will do? We will replace a and b with 1. Okay. So you know that sum of binomial coefficient is 2 power n, and here n is 2n minus 3. Correct? Now, let's multiply both side by 2n minus 2. So 2n minus 2. So we will have what? You can simplify things, like we can write this as 2 power 2n by 2 power 8. So 2 power 3, sorry, है ना? So 2 power 3 will be multiplied both side, and then 2 power 4, and then 2n minus 2. Okay. Now look at this part. So can I take 2 common? So it will become 2 power 8 into n minus 1. So here also 2 power 2n. Okay. Here also 2 power 2n. Now look at this part. Just look at this. So who is this? You know that n will be a number, है ना? Means it's a positive integer. Correct? So what we have to do, just look at the simplification, okay, and check whether it is satisfying or not. So suppose that n is 0. So if n is 0, LHS will become 1 and RHS will become 2 power minus 8. So it is wrong. Suppose that n is 1. So LHS is 2 but RHS is 0. So it is not satisfying. This means it is wrong. Correct? Now take n as 2. So it will become 2 power 4. Okay. And 2 power 4 is what? 16. And this is 2 power 8. So 2 power 8 is 2 power 8. If you compare with 2 power 4, it is not equal. Correct? Na? Now n is equal to 3. So here we got 2 power 6, and here you will get 2 power 7. है ना? 3 minus 1 is also 2. So it is not satisfying that value. So it is not correct. Now what we will do? N as 4. So it will become 2 power 8, and 2 power 8 into 3. Again it is not equal. Correct? So let's move on to the next part. N as 5. So 2 power 10 is equal to 2 power 8 and then 4, which is 2 power 2. So it is also 2 power 10. Okay. So we got value of n as 5. Okay. I hope the idea is clear and you can handle similar situations.